Hey, what is up everybody? I am Jason and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. So in this video, I want to take a deep dive into Virgin Galactic Stock. I haven't talked about this stock in quite a while. There have been some changes that have gone on this company, so I want to address that in this video. And not only that, I am going to be putting quite a bit of time into making this video, so if you don't mind, please be sure to give this video a like to help me out with the YouTube algorithm and help spread this video to more people that might find it interesting. So now let's take a look over at Virgin Galactic Stock, ticker symbol SPCE. So over the last 3 months, Virgin Galactic Stock is up around 40%, but still nowhere near where the stock was trading at its highs back in February. Before Virgin Galactic started trading under its current ticker symbol, it was originally a SPAC, a special purpose acquisition company led by Social Capital's outspoken CEO, Chamath Palihapitiya. Now remember this guy because we'll talk about him more in the video. Virgin Galactic was founded in 2004 by Richard Branson and is part of the Virgin Group, which makes up about 60 different companies ranging from record labels to airlines to space tourism. And since people cannot invest into Elon Musk's SpaceX or Jeff Bezos' Blue Origins, Virgin Galactic is the only stock available to invest into in this space. So it shouldn't be a surprise that they have over 150,000 people invested into it on Robinhood alone. And they have huge trading volumes. Now the market cap currently is at 511 billion, and they are a growing company. They now have over 900 employees. Now the CEO, Michael Colglazier, that's a new guy at the company. He was the ex-president of Disney Parks International, and he held executive positions at Disney Parks for 26 years. So when it comes to somebody that is all about big attractions and tourism, they got the right guy for the job now. Now the previous CEO, George Whiteside, held the throne for 10 years and did a great job getting the company to where it is now. And his position with the company isn't gone, he just shifted his position because his area of expertise is all in space. George's new position is as the CSO, the Chief Space Officer. So he gets to focus on all that stuff without having to focus on space tourism. And speaking of tourism, Virgin Galactic has cleared 24 of its 29 FAA milestones needed for final regulatory approval to conduct regular space flights. And they're expected to reach all those milestones needed within the next 2 test space flights and receive their FAA license for regular space flight. So with the news of this and the changes that were put in place by not this guy, but this guy, the chairman of Virgin Galactic, Chamath Palihapitiya, that Virgin Galactic could possibly be getting ready to start commercial flights very soon. Now, I know we've been hearing about Virgin Galactic being almost ready for commercial flight for years, actually. But in this case now, I think that they're very close to actually achieving this for these reasons I'm going to get to. Then on June 22nd, Virgin Galactic signed a Space Act agreement with NASA for private orbital spaceflight to the International Space Station. Private astronaut expeditions could range from private citizen expeditions to government-enabled scientific research missions. As part of the partnership, NASA will leverage Virgin Galactic's commercial expertise and industry knowledge. Virgin Galactic will also contribute end-to-end program management and integrated astronaut training packages for private passengers tailored to meet needs for a commercial orbital space flight experience. The partnership also serves as a pathfinder for the ISS National Laboratory by demonstrating additional involvement by the commercial sector in human space flight and may lead to commercial participation conducting research and other commercial activities aboard the ISS. The next thing that tells me that they're getting ready to start commercial flights is that they're doing their spaceship cabin reveal. Now, this video is made just days before the reveal, but with them showing that just shows their readiness to start commercial flights. Now let's talk about the crafts themselves. The White Knight 2 is a custom-built, 4-engine, dual fuselage jet aircraft designed to carry Spaceship Two to an altitude of 50,000 feet. So the White Knight 2 is the mothership, and so it takes Spaceship Two to 50,000 feet, and then Spaceship Two detaches itself and reaches supersonic speed in 8 seconds. After 70 seconds, the rocket engine cuts out, and the Spaceship Two will coast to peak altitude. Virgin Galactic at the moment only has one of each vehicle, but plan to have at least 3 additional White Knight 2s and 5 Spaceship Twos. The way that Virgin Galactic does their space travel is much more cost effective than the way that it was done traditionally for many decades, because in this case, all the parts are reusable. They're going up and landing safely back down to be reused again. Now, the cost for Virgin Galactic to take you to a trip to space is still pretty expensive. It's not cheap at all. They are charging a hefty $250,000 for a short trip in space. Now, more than likely, as time goes on, that price might come down a little bit, but at the same time, no matter what, this is going to be something for the ultra-rich for quite a while. Now, currently, Virgin Galactic has signed up about 600 future passengers, taking in deposits of around $80 million. Now, besides being marketed to the super wealthy, it's looking like Virgin Galactic can make some good money with their relationship with NASA by sending astronauts to the International Space Station or to repair satellites. Virgin Galactic can also deliver payloads in space for corporations like satellites, and this could also open up a new chapter to more private astronauts who can do in-space repairs on satellites. Virgin Galactic's chairman, Chamath Palihapitiya, said the profitability of this company is going to look as good as one of the best software companies around. You're in the business of hardware, but it looks like software. And as far as tech guys go, Chamath knows what he's talking about when he says that. He worked at Facebook in his first year and helped grow their user base. Now, by the time Chamath left Facebook in 2011, he was already worth $1 billion, and that's when he started his venture capital business, Social Capital. Now, originally when Virgin Galactic Stock came out, I thought of this company as just being some sort of space tourism for the ultra rich. But as time went on and I started looking more into this company and started listening to more people at the company talking, I started to realize that there is so much more to this company than space tourism, as space tourism is just a foundation that this company needed to lay that they can go into bigger and better things. And one of those bigger and better things being that Virgin Galactic's the spaceship company is developing a transoceanic supersonic passenger jetliner. So it looks like they're going to be getting in the business of supersonic travel. Now, supersonic travel does have a demand for it. This is something that actually has existed but became obsolete about 20 years ago because there were high costs at running it and not a whole lot of elite passengers willing to pay for it. But now, times have changed. And in my opinion, when Virgin Galactic gets cleared by the FAA and is able to make commercial flights, the company is going to be worth a lot more money. Now, that's obviously my opinion. Don't take that as any sort of financial advice. But I'm saying that because SpaceX has a valuation of $44 billion. And Morgan Stanley said that they can see SpaceX being worth as much as $175 billion soon. And speaking of Morgan Stanley, they see space exploration being a billion-dollar industry within the next 20 years. So it's going to be interesting to see what the future has in store for Virgin Galactic. And hopefully in the not too distant future, this company is able to start making revenue. So I'd like to hear people's opinions of Virgin Galactic. What do you think about the management change? Do you think that the new CEO is the right guy for the job? And when do you think that this company is going to be able to start doing its commercial flights? Do you think that is something that is going to happen before 2020 ends? Please let me know in the comment section. So as always, everybody, I'd like to hear your opinions. So as always, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next video coming very soon. Hey, real quick, if you guys need to build a website, check out my affiliate, hostm1.com. And you can find me on Instagram at micro_investor.